Good morning, students. Myself Sonali Gaikwad. Here we are going to start online lectures for your 5th semester Industrial Automation subject. This subject has 70 marks theory exam and 30 marks theory PA. Theory PA includes unit test and micro project marks. It also has 25 marks internal practical exam and 25 marks practical PA. So let us start with chapter 1, that is Introduction to Industrial Automation. This chapter has weightage of 6 marks. Our first topic is automation. The word automation is derived from Greek words auto and matos. Here, meaning of auto is self and meaning of matos is moving. Automation is therefore the mechanism for systems that move by itself. Thus, we can define automation as a technology by which a process or procedure is performed with minimal human assistance. Now, I am going to show you some examples of automation. In the first picture, the boxes are carried away on a self-moving conveyor belt to different locations. Also, in this picture, pick and place robots are used to lift the boxes. This is the another example of automation. In this picture, bottles are filled and sealed automatically by using filling and capping machine. This is the example of vehicle automation. In this picture, a car is driven on autopilot mode. Now we are going to discuss need of automation. We know that objective of any industry is to make profit. Profit can be increased by producing good quality products with minimum production cost in less production time. But manually operated systems cannot fulfill this requirement. Therefore, instead of using manually operated systems, automatic machines are used to perform given operations consistently without any errors. In overall, we need automation to increase productivity, to improve quality of the product, to reduce the cost of production, to increase the safety, etc. Now, let us see some benefits of automation. First benefit is increased productivity. We know that machines can work for longer time without any tiredness. Therefore, more number of goods or items can be produced. This increases the production capacity. Next benefit is increased product quality. In automation, operations are performed automatically by using machines instead of doing manually. This reduces the number of errors in the production. Therefore, accuracy and quality of the product is increased. Next benefit is reduced manpower. Automation requires only high-skilled workers for supervision and maintenance. This reduces the requirement of low-skilled workers and hence the requirement of overall manpower. Next benefit is increased flexibility and convertibility. Without changing the existing setup of the machine, manufacturers can easily switch from one product to another. Next is reduced cost of product. As automation increases the overall production capacity, the production cost of the product is reduced. Next benefit is reduction of personal accident. In automation, number of alarms and safety interlocks are used. This reduces the number of accidents while working in hazardous conditions. Next benefit is better inventory control. Due to automation, minimum use of raw materials and energy is possible. Next benefit is increased profit. Profit can be increased by producing good quality products in large volumes with minimum production cost and minimum production time. So, in today's lecture, we have studied what is automation, need of automation, and benefits of automation. So, go through the video carefully and try to find out answers of these questions. If you have any doubts, we will discuss them in our online session. Till then, stay home and keep studying.